Officer, did your voice just hug me?
Rico, stop. I'm not hugging anyone today.
Good, because I called dibs on the first one.
Why are you staring at me like that?
Because hospitals need beauty for recovery.
You're supposed to behave here.
I am behaving, honestly. Sir, you look extra pretty today.
Oh, thank you.
Pretty, yes, but built like a traffic cone. Bright, loud, and dangerous to stand near. Help, will you marry me? You're my love?